Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video so stylish and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish ideas of haircut, and overall collection very beautiful and very attractive. I hope you like it. Different ideas of low maintenance hairstyling you see in this video. Some ideas, spiky hairstyle, and very attractive ideas of spiky and beautiful undercut and messy hairstyle, choppy hairstyling, fine hairstyle, and some ideas, I think 2 and 3 pick of wavy curly hairstyling you see in this video. And very beautiful ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so beautiful collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, and very beautiful ideas of hair dye, most popular and very attractive trendy ideas of hair dye, blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, and ash color, grey color, black color, and so beautiful collection of highlights, blonde highlights, burgundy highlights, funky highlights, and many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.